Law of attraction. Is fake or real? What is the truth behind manifestation? Is it good enough to think about something you really desire to make it a reality? In this video, I want to share with you my perspective regarding the law of attraction and how you can use it properly to realize everything you want in life. Indeed, I don't think this law is 100% bullshit, and by watching this video till the end, I explain you why. My name is Max Cecco, and I'll help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Maybe you are wondering why I decided to speak about the law of attraction, even if my channel is about marketing, business, entrepreneurship, and learning high-paid skills. The reason is pretty simple. I'm 100% sure that a business grows only if the entrepreneur grows. So, it is crucial that you always work on yourself, personal development, and learn how to manage your thoughts to transform them into your best allies. The law of attraction has a lot to do with your way of thinking about life and business as well. So, to give you the correct answer to the main question of this video, let me expose some basic but important concepts you have to understand that are related to the law of attraction. Concept number 1. Your thoughts determine your happiness and influence your results in any field, personal and professional. Your way of thinking about life and business is related to your success. Let me give you an example. If you want to be rich, but at the same time you think that rich people are the devil and you believe that making money is difficult, I can assure you, you won't be rich. Never. On the flip side, if you want to be rich, but you believe focusing your attention only on your thoughts is more than enough to support, manifest, and realize your goals, I can assure you, you won't be rich. Never. This mindset is always valid no matter what your goal is. So, this is the first concept I want you to learn by heart. Your thoughts are fundamental to realizing everything in life, but they aren't enough. You have to move your ass to make things you want a reality. Concept number 2. The law of attraction supposes you don't do anything but manifest only, and this is the false perception people got regarding the law of attraction. To be honest, I know perfectly why this law had incredible success initially. The majority of people are attracted to getting fast results without doing any effort or just a tiny effort to get what they want. If they don't get immediate results, they quit. We, as human beings, want all things to happen fast because we desire instant gratification. And the law of attraction supports this concept because ideally, you have only to manifest what you want by thinking about your desire, feel it, embrace it, stay positive without moving your ass. But it is not true. Hundreds of thousands of people, maybe millions of people, have been disappointed regarding the law of attraction. What some people thought about this law isn't entirely true. It doesn't produce results if you don't do whatever it takes to move from point A to the next point B. At the same time, I firmly believe that you need to stay positive, think positive, even if the short-term results are not in your favor. Once again, your thoughts are strictly related to your results. Concept number 3. What you expect is what you attract. I want to share some positive vibes regarding the law of attraction. I fully embrace this concept. You attract what you expect. Once again, it is strictly related to your thoughts. How do you direct your way of thinking in order to get what you want? In this way, the law of attraction works like magic. Indeed, someone said that if you can imagine it, you can realize it. And I firmly believe in this statement. Your mind can be your best ally or your worst enemy. It's up to you how to use it to get the results you want. I want to spend some words regarding expectations based on my personal experience. In life and business, I love thinking in this way. I can get whatever I want, and I expect the best for myself and the people I love. At the same time, I prepare myself for the worst case scenario. Positive expectations must always be your best choice because they motivate you to act appropriately and intentionally to get the results you want. Unfortunately, sometimes you don't obtain what you have expected for one reason or another. Does it mean that your thoughts were wrong? Absolutely not. Does it mean that you haven't been capable of executing that specific task? Absolutely not. It is just how life works. But keep in mind to always start a project, a business, a relationship with the best positive mindset and intention. You should expect the best for yourself in every situation. This mindset helps you stay on the right path regardless of the short-term results. After sharing these three concepts, let me resume what I really think about the law of attraction, and keep in mind that is only my personal perspective. I think the law of attraction puts you in the best conditions to manifest what you really want in life, personally or professionally, or both of them. If you don't limit yourself by only thinking about what you want, but you decide to act, to take action, you have a high probability of making your dream come true. Your mind will support your actions. Indeed, whether you believe in something or not, you will always be right. Let me know your point of view by leaving a comment below this video. And in addition, I urge you to watch a video that I published weeks ago regarding 10 ways of thinking that helped me create different successful businesses and build important brands for professionals I worked with. Watch it now!